Now just add your cooked vegetables and your chicken which you've cut up to the mac and cheese, and we've turned it into a power-packed healthy meal full of good things your body needs. Protein, carbs, fats, micronutrients, macronutrients, and heck, the most important thing, deliciousness. So that's it folks, our healthy mac and cheese is ready and served.
If you could see health, this is what you're looking at. I mean, I would add a little more cheese to it, but whatever.
Hey folks, if you like mac and cheese, well, smash that like button please.